Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Let's start drawing. In today's video, we are going to draw a Sabyasachi Lehenga. We will first paint all the skin part. For face, today I am choosing a dusky skin tone. For this I am using acrylic paints. I made this color by mixing burnt sienna and white color. Start with painting a medium tone base color all over the skin part. Now we will start adding details. We will go layer by layer using darker tones. The shade I am using here is the same burnt sienna. I have diluted it with water to give different layers. It is a great method to add depth to your artwork. If you face any difficulty in any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve it. Now it's time to add the lighter shadow and highlights with white acrylic paint. Watch closely to see how I created realistic appeal in the hand. Now it's time to color the hair. adding few more details in the face. The red lips is a must for Indian bride to match the outfit. Also, brides who have dusky tone looks gorgeous with red lips. It really complements their whole face. Now it's time to paint the outfit. First, I will paint a layer of red acrylic paint. This the base layer. Later we will add embroidery details on top of it. Also, don't forget to write down what you think of this video and do let me know what type of lehenga I should draw next. Also, comment down your favorite color of lehenga. we are adding a lighter off-white wash on the lehenga. As this lehenga is off-white in color, so I am painting a very diluted layer of paint that I made, mixing white and a hint of yellow ochre. That's it for this video. In next part, I am gonna show how to add the embroidery details in the lehenga, and also the light and shadow and finishing detail.